Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add depth to your shape on Adobe Photoshop CC. So I just tried it before, and you're just going to select the ellipse tool and have the color white for this one. Honestly, it's up to you, but you want kind of like a light color. Then you are going to add a layer, and you're going to select Alt on your keyboard so this can show up, and just select it. There's like a box and an arrow, as you can see. Then grab the brush tool, and I am just going to adjust the brush size a little bit, and I'm just going to change it to like a dark color. I'm just going to choose blue for this one, and have the opacity is at 100, and I'm just going to do that to the circle kind of, and I'm actually going to add a black to the edge like so. And then I'm going to add in another layer, and again use the Alt on my keyboard, and I'm going to choose the color purple to create another sort of swoop here. And then I'm going to add in a light pink for this part right here. That's too light. Like right here. And then one on top like so. And then after that, I'm going to add in a layer below the circle, and I'm just going to adjust the size a little bit. Oop, that's too big. Okay, around this much, and I'm going to choose another color. Just going to choose blue, and I'm just going to add in like a sort of shadow to make the circle pop like so. Looks more like a sphere a little bit, and I'm just going to clean up some of the pink right here. Just to make it a little bit more neater, like so. And let me adjust the opacity a little bit. Like so. And that's basically it. It creates dimension to the shape, as you can see here. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!